double lo cha khale tu mo no teninya ni pe ro eto he ye ro he pa phla siko ta tami mo no te mo la patang bu ni ma kwa smeda u do du mo no so pa hiskia ni no awe mata ma menu le khoplo amata ma te pha do awe ye tho ki we da a kho ta ro ni kasa yo ni thi we da la atama ki no 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 kasa ya ma black yo okay his gear is what is this his gear doing right and then he does good thing and then the God saw and then he prayed the God heal him and then the God gave him life 15 years more what this is very strange okay sometimes you're doing wrong but you're doing good thing tell the God you're doing good thing whatever God say okay you follow the command okay you getting sick or you getting ill but you should think about it pray to God you're doing just good thing okay you're doing just good thing remember this thing is very important to us and to for um, our current people every person in the world okay you guys too me too okay think about by yourself you doing for God this good thing when you ill you should ask to God to forgive you alright Let no put out pain but patu pathala tatamila ta ariduma lobatamu no so by his kiani away matam nitimile no bekele qua pay the sepo so by his kia no away matam nitimile no Coplolo away matam in the 3rd years of the Hosea son of Elas king of Israel no but then his kia son of the Ahaz, king of Judah, began to reign, you know. Pagani, Terala, Dollar Israela Sopa, Elasa Pukwa, no, so Jose, no, Jose Anipueto, 30 mono, Putemara, 30 Tama Atala, Judah Sopa, so Aha Pukwa, so Hiskia, no. So hiskia que to soparo no awene so hiskia ne awake to sopa okay awake to soparo no no penny betinyala he was 25 years old no hiskia ne awa ora la kisi yeni ro atani no when he became king penny ro awe Pwera Akirova Sopa, Mono, Wakirova Sopa, and he reigned in the Jerusalem 29 years now. When a Pakitano Mala, a wequat, a wepera, no Pakitano Mala, Sopa Penny, Kisido Queenie, no 29, Kisido Queenie, no a per sopa. No? His mother name was Abia, no Abijah, no amo meaning penny pa flower no daughters of the Sacharia no when amo no paragane no pakete mala no away tera aketo sopa ani no atapo ani kisi yeni no kisi yeni no kesopa le Jerusalem pu kisi no kisi nu queenie no amo mime no aba no so akaria no but apum so akaria apum no pa when no let no hudaro paksukumura paid the sepo no he did no wise what right in the eye of the Lord no awen mawara chalo abba look sayo no kasayo amen no leta no hora amawara la kasayo amen le abba mo no ta la abba le amawara le kasayo amen nyane mo no Let the Hudaro Pacropa Tupatha, Labata Omopu Sicolo, no? Pacropa Tupata Sicolo, no? There are penny just up his father David has done, no? Away did Dithuro a pastor that we mawe, no? Dithuro a pastor that we mawe, no? A pastor that we mawe delay, no? When it Bethinia Sico, no? Bad lep Haquam, no? When it so that we are a clue, no? A mawe delay, no? Penny, Pagitana he removes the highest plague, no? Pagitana Samas and the Sakris stone and the cut down the no Asra, no Ashura's pole. He blows into peace the brazen snake Moses has made. So Moses tiro wala gu the bone is sick of Mahago, no? Penny, no, so Moses tiro wala good bone is sick of Mahago, for up to the time the Israelites has been burning incense to is what called Nahasta, no? Takola Nahasta, no? Awani Takola Nahasta, no? Penny, Pectinyala, no? Nahusata, Penny Pangakora Nahusata, no? Then Hudaro Pekropatupata, the Tagaman, when Mahago were curly, Cassie. Bakale Pakalo Pavanyoklo pages, made me what about the Napakiva, no? Thuquita, Loto Torpa, Do Maka, Localeta Warpa, Doku Loqui, no Asra, Do Maka Locale Rutula, Somo City Wenilo, Agidi E, Paisla Po, no Suke Tana Mula Amenya, Tulola Mutanino, Doku Ola. Nakusata lo, no, Nakusata. Somositi lo ne pa ba kwa ho pa lu do de me ma no. Ye ti nya ne somositi lo ne pa me kwa ho ne pa bla lo. Pa de lo lu do da ba no. Pa de lo lu do da ba no. Pa me kwa ho ne pa bla lo no. Awan ne ba kha le, no. This snake, no, snake Moses made the snake is only just looking, not suffering to something, okay? I remember this thing. Okay, little Nukura Pakilekwa pain, no? Hiskaya trust in the Lord, no? Hiskaya ne aware Pakitanamala and Nawara, no? Kasayu, Letamu, no? Tani Athala Kasaya, Apu, no? Tani Dalakasaya Pu, not the God of Israel, no? Pakitanama Israel Kasaya, no winner. There was no one like him among all the king of Judah, no? What the Logadi to or Norgava, no? Look by you for a shopper, no? By the supper. Neither before him or after him, no? Le Amenya sopami, le a locky sopami, no? The Logado, Norgava. He held fast, no? He held fast to the Lord and did not cease to follow him. He keep the command the Lord has given Moses, no? Given Moses, no? Where he can look like Bakale Kasaya Hilo is Somusi. Penny Paglequa, no? Do Pagden Mala Penny, do Sebu Atharajua, do Lupo Ki, do Tony Atatu Tato, Lejua Malu Somusin, no? No, Malu Somusin, no? Little Nukura a Malu Somusi, no? Amen, no? Penny, Pagitana, no? Do Jua Udo Olo, do Peda Ale tot the Pulalani, Boton your talk. Lo, do Puto Asu Sopa, do, no, Tamaba Ataba, no, Puto Asu Sopa, no, do Atamaba Taba, no? Penny, Pagati Mala Tamata, and the Lord was with him, no? Kasaya Udo, Pagitana, no? He was suffered in the whatever he's undertook, no? He rebelled against the king of Asherah, no? No? Asherah. Panina away, Todawara, no? The Todawara, no? And did not serve him, no? Away the Mawetawa. Okay, did not serve him. Away the Matawa, no? from the watch over watch toward to fortify city fortify city ဖတ်နေတော့ particular he defend the Palestine as far as Gaza and its territory not territory လက်တော့ခုတော့ပသိညာဖိနေပတေဝီလီမနော်ဖိနေနော်တော့ပကတဲ့မှာလဲဖိနော်အဝဲ clock ဝေဝတာမနော်အဝဲ clock ဝေပါဖိလက်စတာဖို့ပေါ်လဂါဇာတော့ပတဲ့မှာအကောခလဲပခုတာနော်လဲပခုတာတော့ပကတဲ့မှာလဲနော်ပခုတာဖို့အဘဆာနော်အတေထောပေါ်လဝေဥတော်အခုဒူတော့အတက်ထောပလဝေဥတော်အခုဒူမနော်အဝဲမာဝဲတာခါနေနော်အဝဲနေစောယခိစကီယာအကဲစောပါလယူတာအပူမနော်အဝဲမာဝဲတာတိဖာနေမနော်အဝဲနေပကရပတုပတာစီကောမနော်ပကရပတုပတာနော် and king his kaya 40 years နော်ဖက်နေနေစောပါနေအဝဲပိတ်တဲ့မှာလားSopa Hiskiane aware Britain 4 years, which was the 7 years of Hosea son of Elakin of Israel. No, Britain Samansha, king of the Assyria. No, with the marches against Samarias and the lays sea to eat. No, when it patu patala, tated pile, tamata, minute. နော်တမအသာလပဒရမလာနော်တမအသာလစောပါဟစ်ကီယာအနိပွေထောလူနီနော်ပဒရမပဒရလူနီနော်တနိလအမေဣသရေလအစောပါအလာအဖိုးခွာစောစာအနိပွေထောနွီနီတနိနီအာစုအစောပါဖဲနေမနော်ပဒရနော်အာစုအစောပါစာလမနေစီဟေထောနော်ဟေထောဒါဆာမရီdo ko kha olo no awati he thoda summary do ko kha mo no do phei ni pekale kwa phei ni de se pho mo no phei ni de se pho mo no ko kha mo at the end of 3 years the pekama Assyria third is no so Samaria was captured in the Iskaya 6 years which was the 9 years of no all Assyrians not deported Israel to Assyrians and settled them in Halas and Gozas on the harbors, rivers, and in town of the Medes. No, in town the Medi. Let us go to Pathinya payment. Pathinya payment. Devra payne asu sopane so talk with Israel su ko pagdamano. Ko asu apu do pa ole khala apu do le khabu apu le timu pwa ko sa ani no ko sa ani no do le pwa ma de phu awi de pha apu lo no awani awe ma we ti de pha no pwa ma de phu this happened this happened because they has not obeyed the Lord their gods, no? But has violated his covenants, all the Moses, the covenants of the Lord's commanders, they neither listen to the commandment nor carry them out. Carry them out it the Thuloba, but it did no? Again, eat Dukanaba Jua, Akasaglu. Do agataba do lute kapata ata olo kaye pekiten mana kaye tala ywa akepwa somose malu kele do tadu kana bawe do tamma bawe ba tadu kana siko ba tamma we siko ba nyo aweni tati de phane no tulu bo thwe ba in the 14 years or king Hiskia's range no pekiten mala Sennacherib king of the Assyria attacked all the fortified city of Judah and captured them. Awani Pathinya or Thetamila, Leso Hiskia and Nipueto, the scene winning, not the scene winning, the nini, no, Asu Sopa, Sanakiri Hetoda Yuda Widow no a could do killer do money or no money with the killer casino no. Let them look at all Pacropatu Pathala Tatit Paisicolo no capture them the sit down and money with killer no. So his king of Judas no sent the message to the king of Assyrians and the as Lachish no no I have done wrong, withdraw from it and I will pay whatever you demand of me. Not the king of Syria is set up from the Hiskia king of Judea 300 talents of the silvers and the 30 talents of gold. No, penny a wetted on a talent pe kane no yamakamada limono when a with us yamano yakihikina talmi penny so you don't so pa so a hiskia malota no malota su asu sopala ola pagitana mala lucky apu ola lucky apu ne no do aweda no yakama no yamakama bali kigdaki la la ya udki talan na pala yeluni yetsulo no yakasulo do asu sopa pagitena mana aweka sulo weda no do asu sopa palo no pagitena mana palo le yuda sopa hiskia alula se akika thakaya do tu akika thesilo no se akika thakaya do tu akika thesi no awene mitala na awema no no le tan ku da ro pakro patu patala tatit phai sikolo no pay ni tebera te arho go wemne so Hiskia gave him all the silver that was found in the temple of the Lord and in the treasure of the royal's plate no pagidana mala no Hiskia ne no he or ba kala kasila pagidana mala a see no atini we le talhipu do pagitana mala two no talibu bakala treasure sidane tapu tali te pala ula talibu te pana le royal place sidane metala pagitana mana sopa anupu mana pagitana madine talo le agi awa apu mana talo weni mana talo weni apu ni lo no Penny pakale pala pakanyoklo no mitimi baro patane kamaba pu no patane akamalu kamalo basana kini the edo malo tiwe to sepo so iskaya hike ye sile atini wele yua hipu no le tapa po alo le sopa a hipu lo no tapa po le sopa hipu kale kasilo no le tano kutaro pakro patu pata le tagit kai sikolo no Penny Pekalele to see who need to weapon at the time, no? As this time Skya king of the Judas treasures of the gold, no? With which he has covered the door and the doorpost of the temple of the Lord and give it to the king of Assyria, no? When he Assyria, no? Pagdete mala tagi la agato penny no Hiskia ne pagdete mala dot quita la yua anu atre do la tutpa la yuda sopa Hiskia no pagdete ma Hiskia clawe no he will asu sopa lo no bakalo pa isila po atapo dalitin pa hiloku welo asu sopa kele kesilo no ba munile with this suwe mono with this suwe we hilo kele kesilo no bakalo talihipu no tapo dalitin pa do bakalo nubu tapo dalitin pa ne hilo kele kesilo no do pagtena mala tagi taklu tir pai ni petinya ole betamu pulo away ni no sopa Hiskia atapitama no we mahawa kui tapo tali te pa we mara gitawa kutaro no tamataro di lo no letana kutaro pakro sukumulo betamu puno pamata betama le betamu pune mala agigita no agigita atigita no te o no let kutala agita netki no I want to thank you, my friends. I am my brother and sister in the life right now. Okay, you hear about the Ezekiel story when he came in the king of Judah, okay, king of Judah's only just age is 25 years old, 25 years old man, no, this means it's very young, no, I mean right now is the 43, no, it's not easy to handle this, no. Thank you so much to watching. I will come back later again, no. Yes, simply what to quite lo, no, you can't get like a little kid, lot of money, you can take it, no, taki little kimano. The muhalali, the chemistry in the model, petilo tamano. Tablo, bye bye, everyone. Good night, everyone. God bless you, everyone.